Alright, in this one I'm gonna show how you can export MIDI files out of Guitar Pro. I'm using 7.6, there's a newer one with lots of added features. And why would I do this? Well, I want to have a backing track with from a song with just the drums and bass. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you how to do it here. And the song I've picked is Crazy Train. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing some Randy Rhoads. And I open up, this is what we have. We have 3 parts. You know, there's the drums, the bass, and then Randy. Won't need that. But yeah, let's go here, File, Export, MIDI. Bing. And then we just choose where to put it. We're gonna put it there. Alright. And then I'll open up Studio One, where I'm gonna do the rest of the work. We're gonna close that. Alright, and then let's create a new song. 128. Alright, and now we just open the folder we put that MIDI in, which is the download folder here, and we just click that and drag it. And there we go. And then I need to actually get one plugin here so we can hear what we're doing. So yeah, this is oh, that wasn't, didn't mean to do that, so let's get rid of that. But yeah, so this is a Reaper plugin that I use, so my Studio One can speak to OBS, and we can hear my DAW, and I can record it. So yeah, we don't have any sound when I play it like now, and what we need to do is, of course, add the instruments. So Tommy Aldridge, we're gonna put a drum set in there. Let's see it. Oh, want to move that. There we go. There we go. We have Addictive Drums 2. Let's pick a metal kit. There we go. And that's our drum kit. Let's hear it now. Yep, there we go. We have drums. And of course, if we don't have the sounds or hits that we would like, we might have to move this around. But we're happy with the drums, the way they are now. And then, next up, we're gonna add some bass. And I'll use this free one from IK Multimedia, Modo Bass 2. And we can't hear it, so we'll have to go in here, I think. Let's just see how it looks like. Okay, so let's choose every note. Do it like that. Let's bring them. There we go, until we can hear something. Alright, and then what we could do, I'll just show it. So let's put a new track there. There we go. And let's add amplitube, of course. Oh. Here we go. And I think I do have there we go. A Rhodes rig of some sort. Okay. So what do we have? Is our bass in the right key? Let's try that. And I'm gonna this is just extra, you know, because I showed you the thing already. So all right, so let's try this. And to my excuse, I just woke up a while ago, so hadn't had any warm up or anything, and I've noticed that I've completely forgotten how to play it actually. But I'll be playing it much better in a bit.